like you're in control of your choices. Like what you click, who you text, what you buy, where you go. Feels random, right? But here's the truth. Your next move is decided before you even notice. And today, I'm exposing the 3 secret signals that secretly control your life. Once you see them, you can't unsee them. Signal number 1, your emotional state. Your emotions are the biggest decision makers in your life. When you're bored, you scroll. When you're sad, you overthink. When you're happy, you spend money. And when you're angry, you send that text you later regret. Notice something? You don't choose, you react. Your brain looks at how you feel and says, okay, what behavior matches this emotion? That's why breakups lead to glow-ups. That's why stress leads to junk food. That's why excitement leads to bad decisions. Your mood becomes your boss, and most people never question it. They think, this is just me. No, that's your emotional autopilot. Signal number 2, your environment. Your surroundings shape your actions more than your willpower. Look around. Your phone, your room, your friends, your social media feed. Everything is programming you. If junk food is in front of you, you eat it. If your phone is beside your bed, you scroll at 2 a.m. If your friends procrastinate, you procrastinate. Not because you're weak, because your brain loves the path of least resistance. It always asks, what's the easiest option right now? And it chooses that. That's why successful people design their environment. They remove distractions. They change who they hang with. They make good habits easy and bad habits hard. Your environment is silently deciding your future every single day. Signal number 3, social approval. This one controls almost everything. Your clothes, your music, your opinions, your dreams. Humans are wired to belong. So your brain asks, will people approve of this? That's why you hesitate to post. That's why you hide your real personality. That's why you follow trends you don't even like. You don't want to be judged, so you choose what feels safe. But here's the scary part. Most people live their entire life trying to impress people they don't even like. Let that sink in. Your next move is often based on what will they think, instead of what do I want. Now listen carefully. These 3 signals, your emotions, your environment, social approval, they control 90% of your daily decisions. And if you don't control them, they control you. That's why you stay stuck. That's why you repeat patterns. That's why you feel lost. Not because you're lazy, because you're unaware. Here's the cheat code. Before your next move, pause. Ask, am I doing this because I feel something? Am I doing this because it's easy? Am I doing this for approval? That pause changes everything. Awareness breaks the spell. The moment you see the pattern, you become powerful. So tell me, which signal controls you the most? Emotion, environment, or people's opinions? Drop it in the comments, and if this opened your mind, follow for more psychology you actually need, because your next move should be your choice.